So friends, we have to become like that teacher who is our favorite teacher also. Because of some qualities only we are remembering him or her. And we have to bring innovation in our social science teaching so that one day our children will also write our names and they will attach it with their dresses. As ma'am also told, role play or drama. With this, we can create interest in the subject. Suppose we are teaching Mughal period. One child can attire himself in like Akbar or Humayun or Babur or Shah Jahan or Aurangzeb. And then we can tell that child to, okay, you come, you read the person, you read the life history of Akbar or Babur and you just describe your life history. Then the child will also learn and other children will also learn, and this can be like peer teaching. Child is only teaching the children and children will take interest in it. Role play or drama, it is attractive also, innovative also, it creates interest in the subject. Even history, all our Akbar Babur chale gaye, Jeevani hamare liye chhod gaye. This at least our children will not tell like this. They will take interest in it by creating, by enacting like those rulers. Supplement your school textbook with other sources. As earlier I have told you, textbooks are not for classroom teaching. So we can gather more information from the other books. Suppose we are teaching soil, maybe more informations are in the book of science. So we can take the help. Our library in all the DAV schools, our libraries are well equipped with the books. We can take the help from those books. And then children will also develop the habit of reading, because reading is the best habit and books are the best friend of any person. So this habit, if we take these innovative ideas, newspaper reading also we have developed in the children, book reading also we can develop in the children. Encourage children to do practical projects. Although we are giving the projects, some of us are giving practical projects also. Suppose we can tell, during holidays we can tell the children to sow the seeds. And if a child sow the seed, then it grows in a plant. And then child can understand in which type of soil this particular plant can grow or which type of climate is required for growing this plant. So this practical knowledge, it will correlate the child's link and the child's bookish knowledge with the practical knowledge, and then this practical teaching will be there and the knowledge, the enhancement of knowledge, enhancement of interest will be there. Our children are smarter than us. They are more expert and confident in using internet. What principal sir told in the morning, if we are teaching with that chalk and duster only, the days are gone. We have to equip ourselves with various new means of technology. And because if child can find any answer from the internet with a single click, then why we teachers are here? It is our role to satisfy their doubts, to clear their doubts, and then only, and for that we have to be smarter like our children. We should know the use of these modern technology. As ma'am has told about some sites, hot potatoes, then what more was Eclipse. Yes, Satera is also there in G Drive. We were taught there in New Delhi about Satera. This is a gaming, educational game. Children will find interest. You just go to Google Drive and you can find it all about it. And if we create, although smart classes are being introduced in most of the DAV schools. So if we introduce these things, the child will take interest. You just think, if we are not explaining, we will not explain with this PowerPoint presentation. We have worked a lot to prepare this. And only lecture we will be giving. And impressive or what I think successful? Because we have to, yes, we have to equip ourselves with modern technology to cope up with the level of the students because they are smarter than us. In every class, we have seen some gifted children out there. They finish their work very quickly and then what do they start? They start creating disturbance in the class. Whenever we give anything for whole class, the gifted students, the brilliant students, they can finish it very quickly. For them, we should keep ourselves ready with some extra works, some extension menus for the gifted children so that they will also not create disturbance in the class and let the other students to do their work. All the students are not same. We have to understand this. And then we have to reach to the last bench of the class also. As we should not label them as in that video, Anna mentioned, Teddy. Teacher labeled that child Teddy. But the child was different. Like this, we should never put any negative remarks to any child. We may feel, even we feel also very disturbing students. But then also, what is our duty? We have to bring them on right path. And if we will always start saying this boy is like this girl is like this, very poor in studies, not indisciplined, then the child will not behave properly. And this indiscipline, this poorness will be deteriorated only. So, by positive thinking, we have to bring changes in our classroom and in our children. There are so many places. In Patna, we have so many places. We can, although every time our authority will not permit us to take the children, but we should insist the authority to please allow us to take our children to zoo, aquariums or anywhere, any places, so that the real life experiences children will feel it. Reality brings the book alive and makes them curious to learn more. Suppose they have seen animals in Patna Zoo, they will come and they will read from the book that what are these animals are found in which area or which type of animal it is. So we should allow the children to visit these local places. Take your children to fun and interesting places. There are various places like museums, historical places, then excursion trip also we can take our children. Visit to a planetarium is most interesting. In Patna also, planetarium is there. Although so far our principals have not allowed us to take the children, but we can tell them because it will give the real life experiences to the children. They will know about stars, planets and everything.